Namaste, I'm Regina from Imperial Lifestyle. Today I shall brief you about the project details of the high-rise G+22 story luxurious residential and commercial complex located at the futuristic city Yashwant Smart City. We shall cover the following points in today's presentation: our company profile, project vicinity, proximity, project details, policies, privileges, and property appreciation. Imperial Lifestyle Private Limited. We are a real estate construction company since 1999. We have successfully constructed 2.5 million square feet. We are currently undertaking construction in almost 3 million square feet area. Imperial Lifestyle offers properties starting at 10 lakhs from Boisar to 1.25 crore in Vasai West. Welcome to the world of luxurious and Roman lifestyle. Your dream of living in a high-rise G+22 storied has now come true at Imperial Splendora. Ever thought, why is Yashwant Smart City called a smart city? Let me explain. This city ensures 150 wings of high-rise residential and commercial towers with wide concrete roads, a luxurious banquet hall, multi-speciality hospital, public grounds, art training center, temple, food court Bog Street, fitness club, entertainment training centers, educational institutes, and iGlobal School. Projects in Yashwant Smart City ensures G+1 and G+2 high-end commercials. The city is just 2 kilometers away from Vasai station, creating opportunities for mega retails and making 20,000 plus families at ease for day-to-day necessities and all living luxuries. Living in such city with close proximity to almost everything makes this a smart city. Imperial Splendora is spread across 7 lakh square feet in 8 wings of a G+22 storied residential and commercial tower. Commercial spaces have open spaces more than 60 feet wide, further helping the customers with hassle-free parking space and creating aesthetical and spacious areas for restaurants, retail, corporate offices and showrooms. Parking being the utmost priority, we have planned 3 levels of parking with 1 entry and multiple exits of the ground floor and a ramp to travel at levels 1 and 2. We offer 100 plus parking at ground level, 150 plus parking spaces at level 1 and 150 plus parking spaces at level 2. In case of further shortage of parking spaces, we are ready with provision for tower parking near H-Wing. Residential units are well planned in terms of space and amenities. Level 2 also offers 25,000 square feet of pristine recreational spaces, engaging in indoor games, recreational multi-sport turf, a well-equipped indoor gym, and a cheerful kids' play area. With just 2 elevators being mandatory by norms, we offer 3 elevators. Our elevators are well planned to travel to the terrace, where a magnificent sky jogging track, serene senior citizen lawn, and a clandestine open yoga deck awaits you. Yes, you heard it right, at the rooftop. Imperial Splendora is strategically located at the center of Yashwant Smart City, making it close to all the facilities so you don't even need to step out of your paradise and spend the entire weekend in the cozy confines of your dream home. Now let me help you explore our commercial and residential apartment spaces. We offer retail commercial spaces at ground level and corporate spaces at level 1 with private entry from the road. In residential apartments, we are offering 1, 2 and 3 BHK and Jodi 4, 5 and 6 BHK. We offer 2 variants and luxury residencies. We offer 2 variants, Signature 2 BHK and Majestic 2 BHK. Experience Platinum League apartments which are undisturbed by the hustle and bustle of commercial spaces at lower levels, where we are offering all upgraded amenities in terms of material and design in apartments and lobbies, where we are offering pristine 1, 2 and 3 BHK. We offer Majestic 1 BHK. We offer 2 variants with Signature 2 BHK and Majestic 2 BHK. We offer one variant with Majestic 3 BHK. We also offer beamless Jodi flats of 3, 4, 5 and 6 BHK. Imperial Lifestyle Private Limited is best known for its safety care system. We ensure 24/7 CCTV security. The indoor units in every apartment would help you keep check on live CCTV. Access control lobby gates, intercom facility, notification update and many more. Our ready sample flat gives you an insight into your dream home. We at Imperial promise you to provide a safe, joyful and opulent lifestyle. We are confident about the completion of Phase 1 by December 2024, Phase 2 by December 2025 and Phase 3 by December 2026. To serve you better, we have a team to guide you for loan facilities and ensure the best customer service with one-stop loan solutions. As we state, Imperial Lifestyle, where your family is our family. We provide zero cancellation charges for your cancellation in properties with Imperial Lifestyle. So don't hesitate to book your property today. If you're planning to buy a property as an investment, just to enjoy the fruitfulness of profit gains, Yashwant Smart City is the right place. Being first developing high-rise tower in this smart city, also with a proven track record in the vicinity for value appreciation of 35%. We are sure Imperial Splendora will be appreciated more than 80% of its value by 2028. Imperial Lifestyle has always given its customers a minimum appreciation of 20% annually and our best being a whopping 100% annually. When it comes to serving you, we firmly believe that just good is not good enough. We have to be the best. Thank you for your patience in understanding our project. We believe in providing our customers utmost clarity for everything. Our sales team will assist you and align you with our managers for further queries. For further telephonic inquiries, bookings, and free pickup and drop-off services from your residence,